One day, in the forest, all the vegans, that means all the vegans and the animals, had a meeting. In that meeting, all the vegans like elephant, chimpanzees, peacocks, all came in there so that they want to discuss a serious matter. Okay? So then they gathered over there. Immediately everyone started telling a complaint that the lion is actually irritating them a lot. They're eating all their relatives and all. So they actually decided to take a call on this. Then Peacock will take a point telling that, boss, I'm so beautiful, but why I am not the king or why I am not the queen of the forest? In the same way, elephant asks, I am the one of the heaviest animal, but why I am not the king of the jungle? So in this way, everyone take up their own points and they will keep. At that moment, chimpanzee answers that, so we are good at whatever we are. So you are the heaviest animal and you are the beautiful. As such, everyone has their own talents. But for example, if lion comes before you, what you will think? Ask chimpanzee to elephant. It will tell, maybe this beast may eat me. That's what the answer from elephant. In the same way, it asks peacock the same answer. The peacock tells that this beast may eat me. In the same way, it asks for deer, giraffe. All these animals will tell the same answer. Now chimpanzee concludes that is what the difference is. If lion comes before you, you will believe that and you will think that this beast may eat me. But if you go before lion, what it will think? It will think it is my food. Hello guys, this is Santosh Nimani. Today I am going to talk about how to defeat I am not good enough. As I am talking about a story where chimpanzee answers how lion thinks, that is called as attitude. So here attitude means the product of belief. The lion always believes that whenever an animal comes before lion, it will think it's my food. It can be heaviest animal, it can be beautiful animal, it can be smartest animal, whatever animal it can be. It always believes this particular animal is my food. That is what the attitude is. That is what lion is the king of jungle. The attitude, the positive attitude, the belief system which lion has, no other animal has. Even how lion walks with that grace, no animal has. These are the major things why lion is called as king of jungle. In the same way, in our life as well, there will be a lot of things which you are good at. Probably you are good at doing mathematics at one point of time. In the same way, you are good at some other drawing or some other things. But everyone has this phase called as I am not good enough. I am not good enough. I am not good enough. But how to defeat this enemy? Saying by Nick Vujicic. He always tell that attitude is altitude. So probably you are not good at one thing or 10 things, 20 things, but everyone has their own special things. So for me as well, probably I am not good at studies at one point of time. I am not good at speaking. I am not good at facing people. I have my own fears. I have my own imperfectness in me. But I always believe that I want to improve. I want to prove. I want to do something in my life. I want to prove who actually believed me. That is what belief system I have inculcated in me. Even though I have failed a lot of times, I took a wrong step. Still, I believe that I can come across this. I can skip this. I can actually overcome this. So I believed in myself. I believed in only one concept called as me, nothing else. So the attitude of believing is the only weapon which you can use to defeat this "I am not good enough." I hope you loved this video. If you love this video, please do share this video, like, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.